In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Today we present lecture number 46, which covers verse 123 of Surah Al-Baqarah. This verse addressed the standing alone before Allah. Up to this point, we've covered the first 122 verses of Surah Al-Baqarah in concise, meaningful lectures. If you're new to the channel and want to understand the Qur'an deeply, I highly recommend listening to the 15 introductory lectures and all lectures from Surah Al-Fatiha to this point, so you can maintain the proper sequence and understanding of the Qur'an. Let us now begin with verse 123.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. واتقوا يوما لا تجزي نفس عن نفس شيئا ولا يقبل منها عدل ولا تنفعها شفاعة ولا هم ينصرون.
Translation: And beware of the day when no one shall avail another, when ransom shall be accepted from no one, when no one's intercession will profit anyone, when there shall be no help from any quarter. This verse is a vivid reminder about the day of judgment, a day unlike any other, a day when every person will stand alone before Allah, completely responsible for their own deeds. Allah tells us to fear that day, not out of despair, but out of awareness and preparation. The verse emphasizes 4 key realities. First, no soul will suffice for another. Unlike this world, where we may rely on others for support or blame others for our failures, on that day, no one can take your place. Everyone will be held accountable for their own actions. Second, no compensation will be accepted. In worldly courts, we can pay fines or hire lawyers. But in Allah's court, no wealth, no bribe, no favor will be accepted to escape His judgment. Third, intercession will not benefit unless Allah permits it. Even the intercession of the prophets or the righteous will only occur by Allah's will. We cannot assume salvation through others. The only sure path is sincere faith and righteous action. And finally, they will not be helped. There will be no one to come to your aid, no friends, no protectors, except what you sent forth of good deeds and the mercy of Allah. So what does this mean for us? It means we must take personal responsibility for our lives. We must renew our intention to live righteously, to seek forgiveness, and to make our relationship with Allah the highest priority. Because on that day, only that relationship will matter. Let this verse be a wake-up call, a call to action. Allah warns us out of mercy. While we still have time, we must return to Him sincerely. May Allah make us among those who are prepared for that day and who are granted His mercy and forgiveness. Alhamdulillah, we have completed lecture number 46, covering verses 123 of Surah Al-Baqarah, including its translation and interpretation. Insha'Allah, in the next lecture, we will begin with verse 124. May Allah grant us the ability to understand the Qur'an and act upon its teachings. Keep seeking and spreading the truth. See you in the next session, Insha'Allah, and Allah Hafiz.